ZRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if you refer to my analysis, my last video, and the price was here, we mentioned the way is moving is very corrective. And we mentioned we cannot get a really good trade setup, and we were looking for the down move because we point on this, and this is what we get. Now we need to look for this, whether this one can give us one more drop or not, because we were mentioning if this one can turn to a correction flat, maybe we can next move can break this top. The question is how deep this one can go, whether can retest this low or not. Okay, and as we can see, the price the way it was moving very corrective, even broke the previous top, reverse exactly what we had here, even we mentioned on that. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. First of all, we move to forward chart. Based on forward chart, as we can see, the way is moving here is very corrective. And now the things is, if this one, the corrective give us one more drop, as we can see the price drop already, similar to what we have here, we put this one as a correction. Any reversal for within this range, we do the breakout of this low, we can look for the next move similar to what we have here with the breakout of this top. Okay, and just now we mentioned within this range, we do the breakout of this low. The low, I mean, we do the breakout of 1.285. Okay, still there is a possibility the price break this low and reverse, but we prefer we get the reversal above this line within this range. Okay, but if the price drop a bit more and break out of this one, then from there we can look into the chart differently. Okay, in this case we move to 1 hour chart. That's mean right now we need to look for this. We cannot, I mean, even the price continue from here, we cannot look for good trade setup unless we wait for the breakout of this top or here. Any correction above the top, we look for buy. The best things is if this one give us one more drop, then any reversal, we will take it from there. Because at that times we confirm this move will be relative to this with the internal correction as well. Then any reversal, we will look for buy. Okay, that's me right now. We just look for this and we see whether we can get one more drop or not before we look for reversal. And as I mentioned, if they continue from here, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup within this range. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.